Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Yeah, so have we completed the exercise or not? 8B. I think we have started.
We have completed. We will be starting congruency.
Okay. So have I made you see any videos? Have I shown you any videos on congruency?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how many videos I have shown you?
Sir, you have shown videos of properties of congruency, then SSS side, then angle side angle, and you have to. I think today you will be telling us about RHS.
Okay, so yes. So till now in the chapter congruency, I have made you. I first of all I have told you what is congruence, what is the meaning of congruence of triangles. So do you now understand that two triangles are congruent if their shape is same and their size is also same? Only then the two triangles are congruent. Now, how to, whenever two triangles are congruent, there all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. But it is not necessary to always, if you want to show that two triangles are congruent, then it is not necessary to always prove that all the sides are equal, all the angles are equal. हमेशा हमको सारी sides और सारे angles equal दिखाने के बाद हम triangles को congruency prove करना compulsory नहीं है. We can, there are some conditions. If you use those conditions, you can easily tell the two triangles are congruent. जिसमें से सबसे पहली condition हमने क्या पढ़ी थी? It was triple S, SSS. So what is the meaning of SSS here? Side, side, side. That means all the three sides of the two triangles. अगर दो triangles हैं और दोनों की तीनों sides आपकी equal हैं, that means the two triangles are congruent to each other. What is the second one? Can you tell me? What is the second one? What are the second criteria that I made you see?
Sir, angle side angle.
Angle side angle नहीं दिखाया है मैंने अभी. I have shown you side angle side, not angle side angle. Side angle side मैंने दिखाया था आपको. Will you remember it? What is the meaning of side angle side? क्या होगा उसमें? Two sides will
Yes,
be
sir.
equal, and two sides will be equal, and what?
Sir, please repeat.
What is the meaning of side angle side? How can you prove
Sir,
that?
side angle side means side angle side means the sides of two triangle will be equal, like side, then an angle will be equal, and then a side will be equal.
Yes, so that means two sides will be equal of two triangles, two sides will be equal, and one angle will be equal, which will be between the two sides. दोनों sides के बीच में जो दो sides equal है, उन दोनों के बीच वाला जो angle है, the included angle, that is known as included angle. So the included angle will be equal, and two sides will be equal. So whenever this is the case, we call it as SAS, side angle side. Using this criteria, we can prove that the two triangles are congruent. So let me show you both of them. I will give you the examples of both the cases. Suppose this is first triangle ABC. If I tell you that this is another triangle PQR. So if I tell you the side AB is equal to side PQ, BC is equal to QR, and AC is equal to PR. So here we can say that the two triangles are congruent to each other. By which property you can say that the two triangles are congruent? Can you tell me in this case? In this case, by which condition the two triangles are congruent? कौन सी
Sir,
condition?
S, side.
Yes, triple S condition. I want you all to answer my questions. It is very important to answer my question. Doesn't matter if you are giving a wrong answer, but आपको answer जरूर करना है. Are you all getting my point? It is compulsory to
Yes,
answer.
sir.
Yes, sir.
खाली ऐसी क्लास अटेंड करके तो
Yes, sir.
response ना देना is not good. You all have to answer. Doesn't matter if your answer is wrong. यहाँ पर कोई आपको जज करने वाला नहीं है. Even if you are giving a wrong answer, it is better than not answering at all. अगर आप आंसर नहीं कर रहे हैं उससे तो अच्छा ही है कि आप रॉन्ग आंसर दे दें. तो मैं आपको उस चीज पे बिल्कुल भी जज नहीं करूंगा. ओके. So the two triangles are congruent to each other by which property? By which condition we can say that the two triangles are congruent? Tell me.
Side by side. Side.
Side. Triple S property. So how to write this? Triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. Can I write it like this? So what is the reason that I am going to give here? That triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by SSS. By which condition? By triple S condition. Okay. In the next one, I want you all to answer for the next one. Okay. Another example I am giving you. Suppose this is triangle ABC again, and this is triangle PQR, and I am telling you that it is, if suppose it is given that side AB is equal to side PQ, BC is equal to QR, and angle B is equal to angle Q. Which condition you will use to prove that the two triangles are congruent to each other?
SAS.
Side angle side.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. The condition is side angle side.
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 Triangle ABC is congruent to, इतनी simple सी चीज है, congruent to triangle PQR by side angle side. Clear? So similarly, there are more criteria to prove congruency. Another criteria is, ये तो हमने अभी तक दो पढ़ लिए. Let me give you the third and fourth one also. So I'm erasing this. Third one is, the name of the third criteria is angle side angle, ASA. Okay, angle side angle. That means two angles, and the side which is between the two angles is also equal to the corresponding parts of the other triangle. Then the two triangles are congruent to each other. For example, let me show you with the help of a figure. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. These are two different triangles. Here, angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle C is equal to angle R. And the side BC is equal to the side QR. So angle, side angle, you can notice one very important thing, that the side which is between the two angles which are equal to corresponding angles of that triangle, this side is equal to the corresponding side of the other triangle. बीच वाली side equal होगी. So that is why we call it as angle side angle. Okay. So this is the criteria. This is how you can say that the two triangles are congruent to each other. So how you will write it? Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by which property? By ASA. By the condition, criteria, condition, property, जो चाहे आप इसको बुला सकते हैं. So this is angle side angle. Okay. Clear, all of you? This the third one is clear.
Yes,
Third
sir.
condition.
Yes.
Okay. Another one is, the fourth one is a little different from this one. Almost same ही है. थोड़ा सा ही difference है. Fourth one is angle side. Now the third one was angle side angle. Fourth one is angle side. Can you guess what is the case here? Can you guess it on your own? कि यहाँ पर क्या होगा?
Sir, can I?
Yes.
Sir, it will be angle A and angle B are equal, then the side BC is equal.
Angle A is equal to angle P. You are saying angle A is equal to angle P. And suppose angle B is equal to angle C. Sorry, angle B is equal to angle Q. मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ.
Yes,
Angle
sir.
B is equal to angle Q. Angle C is equal to angle R. Then side कौन सी होगी? The side will not be
The BC and QR.
BC and QR नहीं होंगी. BC और QR होंगी, तो that means that side is between the angles. Angle B और angle C के बीच में side कौन सी आ रही है? BC आ रही है. So it will not be the included side. Included side को छोड़ के बाकी कोई भी side हो सकती है. Suppose if it is angle side AC is equal to side PR. If side AC is equal to side PR, then we can say that the two triangles are congruent by the criteria angle side. Okay. तो बीच वाली साइड नहीं होगी, कोई और साइड होगी बीच वाली को छोड़ के. Are you getting my point, all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So last one is left. Last वाले के लिए let me show you a video for the last one. Okay.
And the last and the most interesting condition for congruence of triangle is called the RHS condition. The other conditions we've seen so far have an S or an A in their name.
Yeah, so these are the four conditions that we have already studied. Triple S, SAS, ASA, double AS. ये four conditions हम पढ़ चुके हैं. Now the new one, the last one, fifth condition. This is the last one. It is named as RHS. ठीक है. So let's see what is RHS.
But this one a bit different. Okay, S as we know stands for side. But what about R and H? R stands for right angle. This tells us that this condition will work only for right triangles. What do we have opposite to the right angle? Yes, the hypotenuse. That's your RHS condition. So this condition says that two right triangles are congruent if the hypotenuse and one side of a triangle are respectively equal to the hypotenuse and a side of another triangle. Remember, hypotenuse and any other side. Let's understand this with figures. Suppose we have one right triangle ABC with angle ABC equal to 90 degrees. The length of the hypotenuse is 5 units and that of the height is 3 units. Similarly, if we have a right triangle PQR, right angled at vertex Q, with the same hypotenuse length and side PQ equal to 3, then the two triangles will be congruent. We don't even need to know the length of the other side or any other angle for that matter. We can be sure that these two right triangles are congruent as the hypotenuse and one side of one triangle are equal to that of the other. Does it have to be the height? Let's assume that the length of sides BC and QR are equal to 4 units each. Will the right triangles still be congruent? Yes, you can be sure that the two right triangles would still be congruent. The condition says hypotenuse and any other side.
Yes. Understood the last condition, all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is the last one? RHS, it works only in right angle triangles. The most important thing for using RHS condition is that सबसे पहली बात तो क्या है, वहां पर right angle triangle होना चाहिए. And what is the other thing? The second thing should be the hypotenuse of the two triangles should be equal. Hypotenuse की length equal होनी चाहिए. And one more thing is there, which is any other side. Hypotenuse अगर equal है और कोई भी एक और side अगर equal है दोनों triangles की, then the two triangles are congruent to each other. Okay, understood all the 5 conditions. मुझे यहाँ पर बोर्ड पे समझाने की जरूरत है लास्ट वाली आपको या नहीं? Or have you all understood?
No, sir. Sir, understood.
Understood.
Okay, very good. Okay, so all of you, I want you all to note down some things in your copies. Page number 195 open करिए. Open page number 195, all of you.
Sir, open.
Okay,
Sir, open the page.
okay. So in page number 195, you have to note down the definition of congruent figures. Congruent figures की definition आपको दिख रही है. ये second वाली. Let me show you from my book. Not the first one. This here below the coins जो बने हुए हैं उसके नीचे जो लिखी है. Only the definition you have to note down. कोई figure नहीं draw करना है. Just note down the definition. One line. Okay. Congruent figures here below the coins. उसके बाद next page पे आ जाओ. Page number 196. On page number 196, you can see the heading congruence of triangles. Congruence of triangles. You can see the heading congruence of triangles. This page number
Yes, sir.
196. So here you will write down the definition. And उसके नीचे ये वाला part भी note करना है. Thus, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF if AB is equal to DE, comma BC is equal to EF and CA is equal to FD, comma angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E and angle C is equal to angle F. यहाँ तक एंगल F तक आपको नोट करना है एंड ड्रॉ द फिगर्स। ये दो ट्राइंगल्स बने हुए, इनका फिगर भी ड्रॉ करना है। ठीक, अंडरस्टूड?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
इतना नोट करो, फिर मैं आगे
Yes, sir.
इतना नोट करिए।
Sir, I have done.
Okay,
Sir, done.
okay.
Sir, done.
Okay. Have you all drawn the figures also?
Yes, sir.
The two triangles which are given on page number 196. 196 पे आपको दो triangles
Yes,
यहाँ पे
sir.
बने हैं, वो draw करना है।
Yes, sir.
After that, you will write down the heading. Conditions to show that two triangles are congruent to each other. This will be the heading. First condition is triple S. Second is side angle side. Third is angle side angle. Fourth is angle angle side. And last one is RHS. I hope you all know the full forms of all the 5 conditions. सबकी full form आपको
Yes,
समझ
sir.
में आ गई, I hope. Please note
Yes,
here
sir.
that side angle is not a condition to prove congruency, as well as angle is also not a valid condition. ये आपको यहाँ पर ध्यान रखना है. ऐसा मत करिएगा कि इनका यूज करके आप कॉन्ग्रुएंसी प्रूव कर दें. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
ये बीच
Yes,
में
sir.
क्या होता है, यहाँ पर 2-3
Yes,
बच्चे
sir.
आते हैं, बीच में ज्वाइन करते हैं, थोड़ी देर को फिर चले जाते हैं. कौन बच्चे हैं ये?
Sir, what is the full form of AAS?
एंगल एंगल साइड.
Okay, sir.
मैंने आपको वीडियोस जब दिखाए थे तो उसमें उन्होंने क्लियर भी किया था that side angle is not a valid condition for proving congruency, as well as angle is also not a valid condition to prove congruency. आपने वीडियोस में देखा था इनका रीजन why they are not valid conditions.
Sir, what is name of the YouTube channels?
वो तो मुझे नहीं पता बेटा.
Okay, sir.
Sir, the full form of RHS will be right angle hypotenuse side.
Right angle hypotenuse side. Write down the full forms, all of you. Full forms note कर लीजिए bracket में. Everyone. Side angle side, angle side angle, angle side, and last one is right angle hypotenuse side. लिख दूं मैं? Right angle hypotenuse and side. This is the full form of last one. Right angle hypotenuse side. Similarly, write down the full forms of all the 5.
Sir, written.
Sir, written.
Sir, done.
Okay. So now one more important concept that I am going to tell you here. I will ask you some questions. I will draw a figure here and I will ask you that the two triangles are congruent by which criteria. You have to tell me, okay? I'm drawing a figure on the board here. A, B, C, D. I have named the figure as ABCD. And I am telling you that angle ACD is equal to angle ACD. BC is equal to CD. The side BC is given equal to CD. Can we say that the two triangles are congruent to each other? क्या हम कह सकते हैं दोनों ट्रायंगल्स एक दूसरे से congruent हैं? जितनी इंफॉर्मेशन से ऐसा तो नहीं है यहाँ पे इंफॉर्मेशन कम है या sufficient information है so that we can say that the triangle ACB is congruent to triangle ACD. जल्दी बताओ बेटा, टाइम होने वाला है.
No, sir.
Not sufficient. We
Yes,
cannot
sir.
say, we cannot say that the two triangles are congruent. जल्दी बताएं, जो भी लग रहा है जल्दी बताइए. अगर आपको लगता है नहीं है, जो भी है, it is good to
So mine is no.
answer than not to give any answer.
So mine is also no.
Not sufficient information, not sufficient. Let me tell you that we can say that the two triangles. अच्छा किया आपने आंसर किया. सबसे पहली बात तो ये नोटिस करिए, it is good to give a wrong answer. याद रखिएगा मेरी बात दिमाग में. Then not to give an answer at all. अगर आपका आंसर गलत भी है, that means it is a good thing that you are answering. First of all. So yes, the two triangles are congruent. क्यों है congruent? टाइम बचा नहीं है. मुझे लगता नहीं कि आज मैं बता पाऊंगा.